Sony has recently unveiled their latest iteration of gaming headphones, the Pulse Elite, as an upgrade to the Pulse 3D. Priced just $50 higher than the current Pulse 3D, this might sway your decision towards the Elite if you're eyeing a pair for your PlayStation 5. But is the upgrade significant? Here we will uncover all the hidden facts and features. But before starting, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And now, let's get started. The Elite has been making waves with its internal upgrades, but let's not overlook the snazzy exterior enhancements. Sony kept the Elite's design sleek, taking cues from the PlayStation 5's shell with those stylish yokes cutting across the ear cups. It's not just about looks though. This design choice also makes accessing the onboard mic a breeze, while the button controls feel intuitive. It's a bit out there for headphone design, but it's all about being practical. Slipping on the Elite feels like entering a realm of comfort. The ear pads cradle the ears like a gentle hug, while the suspension headband takes the pressure off the head. It's a lightweight fit that won't drag you down, although adjustments may be needed during extended wear. But hey, no tech is perfect. One of the biggest highlights of the Pulse Elite is its new planar driver, a feature heavily touted in the marketing. It was introduced with the Explore model and has been further refined here. Beyond that, the Pulse Elite truly shines when paired with the PlayStation 5. You've got your basic volume controls, but the real gem is the multifunctional power button. It's not just for turning the headphones on and off. Pressing it 3 times and bam, you're into your sound settings. For those who tweak EQ controls regularly, this little trick proves to be a lifesaver during testing. Similar to the Pulse Explore, the Elite boasts Sony's AI-enhanced noise rejection for voice chat. However, like its predecessor, the Elite faces challenges in mic quality. While the Elite excels in blocking out external noise, the real issue lies in how voices are transmitted to others. During chats on PS5 and Discord, feedback on the mic was mixed. Some friends described the sound as boxy, while others noted a crunchiness that occasionally muddled voices. Just like with the Pulse Explore, one appreciated feature is the ability to use it with PlayStation Link and Bluetooth simultaneously. The Elite carries over this multi-point functionality, which proves to be useful during testing. It's worth mentioning that Bluetooth connectivity is only possible when the Pulse Elite is first linked to PlayStation Link. Additionally, when connected via Bluetooth, there is a drawback of missing out on low latency and lossless audio. Once fully juiced up, the Pulse Elite promises a solid 30 hours of playtime. Plus, if you're in a rush, you'll appreciate its fast charging feature. Just 10 minutes on the charger nets you a generous 2 hours of use. And with the added bonus of the charging hanger, you've got 2 convenient ways to power up this headset. During the testing phase with the Pulse Elite, many have run tests primarily focusing on utilizing 3D audio through the PS5. A brief stint involved sampling Apple Music via the PS5 in standard stereo, revealing performance akin to other Sony wireless headphones in terms of accuracy and spaciousness. The width and imaging paralleled experiences with the 1000X series, enhanced further by the planar drivers for a more organized and breathable soundstage. Notably, bass frequencies were better integrated without overpowering other elements. In gaming scenarios, the Pulse Elite excelled as expected, maximizing the potential of its 3D audio capabilities. Opting for standard stereo with most games resulted in a noticeable deficit in immersion. However, the performance with 3D audio was generally impressive, albeit with occasional discrepancies in the precise positioning of sound elements. Nonetheless, the enveloping ambiances and directional effects provided a compelling sense of spatial awareness, even if the soundstage felt somewhat constrained. Particularly noteworthy was the experience with Silent Hill, the short message. The Elite's spatial capabilities shone brightly during gameplay, particularly evident in the realism of outdoor wind sounds. Additionally, the headset effectively communicated the positioning of various in-game effects, enhancing the overall immersive experience and aiding decision-making processes during intense gameplay sequences. And that wraps up today's video. Sony's Pulse Elite is paving the way for premium gaming headphones with its implementation of planar drivers, offering great audio quality, especially with spatial audio. While it falls just short of audiophile grade status, it's still a fantastic choice for most games. However, Sony could improve microphone quality. If that's not a deal breaker for you, the Pulse Elite is a great, affordable option. Will you be picking one up? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.